Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Santagrok token. Name of the token is Santa and then space Grok. Ticker symbol is Santagrok, all one word. Now this token is about to start their whitelist pre-sale in under half a day on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Santagrok is coming to town. So they have a whitelist pre-sale about to start soon on pinksale.finance. So if you search Santagrok in the launchpad list on pinksale.finance, this pre-sale will pop up. Click on that. And then right at the top of their pre-sale page, it says whitelist registration. So if you're looking to get involved with this whitelist token, it'll take you over to a form. You fill that out, and you maybe, you could have potential to be on the whitelist. So that says it's real easy to find the whitelist registration page. It's right on the Pinksale page. Now, it is a Binance Smart Chain token. Minimum buy for the pre-sale is going to be 1 BNB. Max buy is going to be 3 BNB. There is 9 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. So soft cap for the pre-sale is going to be 75 BNB. Hard cap is going to be 300 BNB. So once they reach 300 BNB, the pre-sale will be over. Or once they reach 3 hours, the pre-sale will be over. It's only a 3-hour pre-sale. Starts December 7th at 11 o'clock UTC time and goes until December 7th, 14 hours UTC time. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $102,373. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Santagrok token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, santa-grok.com. Now, you may have to set slippage. There looks like there is taxes. We'll go over that in a second. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So Santagrok is here to spread joy in the crypto world. Pro team with big marketing plans, no team tokens, renounced contract after launch, 1% reflections to all holders, fast track to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, ApeDex, DexView, BSC trending at launch, many calls and partnerships, CertiK audit and central exchange listings will be coming. Join our social media to know more about Santagrok. So they do have their social media listed on here. They have a Telegram at Santa_Grok_global, and that has 1,596 members on there so far. Has the contract address right on their Telegram as well. And they also have a Twitter with 4 tweets so far. Just joined in December 2023, 2,135 followers already. Has a link to their webpage on it. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. You'll see their webpage is linked, santa-grok.com. Has the contract address on there, and then 4 tweets talking about their pre-sale, basically. And yeah, and then it also says audited and renounced contract, no team tokens, daily marketing and trending. CertiK audit coming. Now, they do have an audit already. So they've been audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view the full PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. And on their webpage, it'll take you over to a white paper if you want to read that, santa-grok.gitbook.io. So, why Santagrok? They have experienced and dedicated team, daily huge marketing initiatives, renounced contract after launch, locked liquidity for 1 year, no team tokens, and community-driven token. So their mission and vision to transcend the traditional boundaries of cryptocurrency by creating a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem that not only delivers financial prosperity, but also fosters a sense of joy and community. So they want financial empowerment, community engagement, innovation and technology, transparency and security, and a positive impact. Now they do have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1, creating the website and social community channels, developing Santagrok's white paper, developing the contract and locking the LP in Pink Sale, initiating marketing campaigns and attracting potential investors. PancakeSwap launch will be on December 7th, it says, so it looks like it'll be right after the pre-sale's over. Phase 2 is going to be starting the post-launch marketing, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, establish partnerships with many influencers, developing and launching the Santagrok NFT marketplace, so you'll be able to get yourself some Santagrok NFTs if you like. 1,000 holders. Phase 3, initiating global marketing campaigns, applying for centralized exchange listings, organizing more community events and giveaways to enhance holders' experience, developing and launching Santagrok's dashboard, 5,000 holders. Phase 4, establishing localized communities and language-specific communication channels, celebrating with global influencers, media outlets, and industry associations to build trust and credibility, continuously improving user experience and optimizing the token's utility to attract a broader user base, and 20,000 holders. Now, the tokenomics are pretty straightforward, so how it's allocated is 67.3% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 32.6% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now, there's a pretty decent-sized buy and sell tax. It says 10%, so you probably have to set your slippage around 10% on PancakeSwap. 5% marketing, 4% LP, 1% reflections. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And check out all the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.